been great on my business trip. This is the Anker 25,000 milliamp hour battery pack. Press it once, switch on, it gives you the battery percentage, gives you the battery health and temperature. Press it again, gives you the health there as well. Handles are built in. Charger. Tells you how many watts it's pulling. On top, you've got another lead. For charging another device. Again, tells you how many watts it's pulling. And then if you want to charge a small device like that, which doesn't pull so much wattage, you can just double click there like that. A little light will come on. It'll keep putting power from that because it's small, it will switch off automatically. So yeah, absolutely brilliant piece of kit. And you've got another port on the side there and the old-fashioned type there. Also, you can charge it with these leads as well. So these are all chargeable. Magnetic on the top. And then you can charge this one as well. So you can actually charge the device with the built-in leads. To get rid of that, you can double click that. And it's also pass-through, so you can put that into your device to charge this, and then you can put that or these into a device to charge that, so the power charges this and charges your device at the same time. Brilliant bit of kit, and it's aircraft friendly. You can charge phones, laptops, tablets, drone batteries, the lot. Absolutely fantastic. Take it fishing, wherever you want to go, camping, hiking, last you a couple of days. Anker, 25,000 milliamp hour, 165 watt, 100 watt per port. Brilliant.